In this video, I'll show you how to enable prioritize notifications on your iPhone. For this feature, your iPhone must be installed with iOS 18.4 or later. So this is my iPhone 15 Pro. I open the Settings apps. Next, scroll to Notifications, and on this page, I look for Priority Notifications, but they are not showing. So I go back to the Apple Intelligence and Siri option, and now I turn on Apple Intelligence. Here, wait for the download. Now again, go to the Notifications, and finally, Prioritize Notifications showing, so select this, and turn the toggle green next to Prioritize Notifications. On the bottom, we can see how this works, so iPhone users on device processing analyzes the content of notifications for importance while protecting your privacy. Below, there is a specific app toggle, so we can disable unnecessary app notifications by turning off this toggle. The preview of this feature we can see on this animation. On the lock screen, all important notifications will arrive in a separate section. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.